Good morning, transition. Well, today we are going to be talking about singular and plural forms again. I'm going to show you some examples with things that I found at home. But before starting the class, we are going to sing a song. Do you remember the ABC? The ABC song. Okay, so I have my cards with the letters and we are going to sing together. Are you ready? Okay, let's sing it. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for question. Question. R is for ring. Ring. S is for sun. Sun. T is for 10. 10. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for box. Box. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Okay, guys. So now that we have our letters and our song, we are going to start with singular and plural. Well, I was telling you that I went around my house and I found some elements that I have, one of them and many of them. So I'm going to show you some examples. Let's start with notepads. Look, I found that I have many notepads. So only one notepad and many notepads. This is singular, one, and this is plural, two notepads. I'll show you how you write it down. Notepad, only one. But if I have many, I can say notepads, plural form. As you can see, I only added an S at the end. Notepad, notepads. This is plural. If you want to remember it, you can do it with your finger. Singular. Show me with your finger. Singular. Now do this. Plural. Singular. Plural. Look how many fingers do I have. Plural. Those are many fingers. Singular, only one. Plural, many. So here, plural, because I have two notepads. Okay, another example that I found here are my games. Look, I have one game, which is singular, that's singular, and I found another game, my dominoes, and these will be plural because they are two games. So look at the word. One is called game, only one. But now that I have two, I will say games. I added an S at the end of the word. Game, games. Look, how many games do I have here? I have 2 games. That's plural. Okay? And if you look at the word, it's exactly the same. I'll show you like this so you can compare. Here, the word is repeated, but you added an S. This is singular and this is plural. Game, games. In this case, games. Okay, now let's go over the next example. I know you're gonna like this one. Okay, here I have, what is this? Okay, singular, because I only have one, and this is called a bear. Now, look who I have here. Now I have 2, so I don't say bear anymore. I will call them bears. Bears, plural. I have 2 of them. Bears. Very good. Look at the words. Exactly the same word, only the difference is that I added an S at the end. That's it. Singular, plural. I have 2 little. Okay, let's start with this one. What is this? Very good. I have a box. And be careful with this word because this word ends in X. You see? Now, when that happens and I have another box, look, I have another one here, which means that I have 2. I'll change the word and look how it changes. You can see it in pink. From box to boxes, because as it ends in X, I have to write an additional E. ES, boxes, plural, box, singular. Okay? Singular, box. Only one. Plural, boxes. Okay, now let's go over the next example. If I have one more. Yes, I think I have one more. Is this one. Okay, my little kids, what is this? This is a pencil case. Only one. But what if I bring another one? I have my other pencil case, so I have 2. I have to change the word, and I will say pencil cases. I only added an S at the end. I have 2, and look how it changed. It's exactly the same word, but I added an S at the end. Pencil case, pencil cases. Okay? Very good. Okay, so now that we already review how it is to form some of the plurals for the nouns that I found in my house, we can go ahead and make a writing exercise. So the first thing you have to do at home, like this is not necessary for you to send me something, but I would like you to do that, is to find things that you have in your room or at home, and that you can label using the pieces of cardboard like this. Bear, only one. Bears, many. Okay, like this. So once that you already did this part, that you found some things and you label the plural form and the singular form, you can go ahead and write. And if I'm thinking about my bears, I'm going to be using the same structure for all my sentences. So let's see. I'm going to write my first sentence that will be, I I see, look, I see how many bears? 2 bears. Do you see? I see 2 bears. And I don't say I see 2 bears. No, because that will be singular and I need it to be plural because I have 2 bears in my hand. So I will say I see 2 bears. Another example, I can give you another example. Let's think about my watches. I'm going to erase this one and I can see. I see 2 I see 2 watches. Look at this. I see 2 watches. I have 2 watches, so look. Do you see? Now, you can do this, you can practice, but you have to remember always. Singular, 1. Look at my finger. Plural, many. And most of the nouns that you use, that we normally use, are formed with the S at the end. And some of them are tricky, like this one, the word watches. For this example, it ends in CH, so I have to add ES, watches. And as in box, remember, as in boxes, that plural form. Okay, anyways, we will keep doing these kind of exercises with plurals during the week. So don't worry, try to do this exercise at home and have fun. Bye, guys.